Hello friends, it's Jennifer on Underway Drifting on and Dreaming on the motor vessel Cetus. We are a 48-foot Katie Krogan yacht and we're traveling about 7 knots. We are on our Great Loop adventure. Here we're leaving Florida. We're right on the Florida-Georgia line going out the St. Mary's River out to the Atlantic Ocean. It is completely calm. Fort Clinch is to the right of us. We're heading offshore. We're going to skip over Georgia and heading to Charleston, South Carolina. It is a 28-hour plus trip and the seas are calm. Jim and I took turns at the helm. I drove until I had the helm until last light and then woke up about 11:45 and took over and made it until about 5 in the morning. And the only request I had is I wanted to see the sunrise. Jim told me the sun was rising. I sat up, looked out the window, and right back to bed. So go ahead and take a look at these first light pictures of the sunrise. It's an amazing morning, just gorgeous outside, the clouds, the sunrise. Can't believe I slept through this. So Jim took this footage while I was sleeping. He was up on the bow. He was able to control the boat with the autopilot remote. We're just probably 3 or 4 hours from the Charleston sea buoy, and we are planning to go in with the incoming tide, which will help us since we do move 7 knots. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful morning on May the 4th. This is the next morning. Jim and I were able to get some rest, and we're about a half hour out before slack tide. This marina is very challenging to enter or leave at a flood or an ebb tide, so we need to prepare and go quickly. I was watching the other boats leave and took some video of them heading offshore. So when we leave, we're going to go ahead and go a little bit further into Charleston to see the Patriots Park, which is right next to our resort. The USS Yorktown is there, and just a view of the bridges before we head out. And we're going to head back out into the Atlantic, and we are going to Georgetown, South Carolina. Thanks for watching our adventures as we're heading north on our 6,000-mile journey around the Great Loop. We are chasing that 80-degree weather. Currently it is the low 60s, and we are in North Carolina, so we will post a little bit more video on Friday. Thank you again for watching. Click like and subscribe to see more of our journey, and leave a comment if you have any questions.